All right, everybody, we're now going to go for a ride our 1968 Ford Mustang. Nice thing about this Mustang is a fresh restoration. It's got new paint, new wheels, especially those baby moons. Really something that you don't really see on a car anymore. Most of the time you see Torques or Rallies or some kind of original style rim, but this one's a little different. Got new interior. As you can see, it's very clean. No stains, no pivots. Working horn, original style wheel. Got a nice power steering. Good strong brakes. Got a fresh new hood. Almost like a new engine underneath the hood, as you can see in the pictures. As we're coming up the block here, we're going to open her up a little bit so you guys can get a nice little sound. You can hear there's no missing, no pops or misfires or any stuff like that. During the walk around video, you will hear she's got a little cam in her, which is what makes a Mustang really better, unlike those inline six cars. Yeah, but this one's built right. Anyway, we're gonna get her turned around, put her on the lift, let you guys take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.